Hey guys, welcome back to Master V and Sons channel. Hope you guys are doing well during this crisis. And today on our channel, we're going to be installing some new headlights for my Golf 2012. What makes these a little bit different are the sequential lights. So what happens on the regular ones, they just blink on the left side or on this side of the light. And what these are going to be different are it's going to move. So I just thought they were really cool, so I got them. And yeah, so this is going to be our series. So what makes this light different than the original, the stock ones that came with the car is these come with the light, and what that means is both these lights have to be connected, which means that we have to run a long wire all the way through the whole car just so we can reach down with the light all the way up top. And for that to happen is we got to take off this whole frame, this part, this one, just so you can take off this one, and the big one right here, just so you can reach the light, which is right here. Let's start the process by taking off the bottom panel. I just took out the old ones and now I'm trying to install the new ones. First, you gotta unplug them. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna switch this one out right now, and the rest is all the same. Alright, so now we're gonna put in the second part of the light bulb, and for that we're gonna just take off this little panel right here. Just grab it, and we're gonna unplug these. And then you're gonna undo these two bolts. So we're gonna use an 8mm socket to get these two bolts. So we'll connect all of these real quick, and so our battery's kind of dying right now, so what we're going to do is we'll connect it, and so this left side is exactly the same as the right side, of course, and we'll just continue the video from then tomorrow. Bye. Alright guys, it's day 2 now. Been a little while. We've been a little bit behind, but so we're gonna continue our video. We're gonna take off the 2 bolts up top. Just take off this panel, and then after that, you just take it off. You just gotta pull it off, and then you gotta take off this panel as well, and then you're all set to put up all these wires. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is, since these wires connect up here, and you usually have to run them through this cord and stuff like that. What we're gonna do is, because this part right here is kind of a little bit like too big to fit through there, we're too worried that it's gonna rip. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna cut it down here, and then just thread the whole wires through it so it'll be a little bit skinnier, and then just put them back together down here as well. connected all the wires, and now we're just gonna put all the framework back on, or the stuff back on.